December 31st, 1907, a tradition begins. New York City's Times Square introduced the inaugural New Year's Eve ball drop, marking the beginning of a tradition that has become synonymous with the arrival of the new year. This event was conceived by Adolph Ochs, owner of the New York Times, as a replacement for the fireworks display that had been banned by city officials due to safety concerns. The first ball, constructed by young immigrant metalworker Jacob Starr, was a 5-foot diameter sphere made of iron and wood, weighing 700 pounds. It was illuminated by 125-watt light bulbs, a significant technological feat for the era. As midnight approached, the ball was lowered from the flagpole atop Times Square, a building that had become the new headquarters of the New York Times in 1904. This descent was synchronized to signal the exact moment of the new year, captivating the assembled crowd and setting a precedent for future celebrations. The introduction of the ball drop was inspired by maritime time balls, which were historically used to help sailors synchronize their chronometers. This adaptation for a public New Year's Eve celebration was innovative, blending functionality with festivity. Over the years, the Times Square ball has undergone several transformations, reflecting advancements in technology and changes in design aesthetics. Despite these changes, the core tradition established on that December night in 1907 has endured, symbolizing renewal and collective celebration. Today, the Times Square ball drop is a global event, attracting millions of viewers both in person and via broadcasts worldwide. The original event's blend of innovation, public engagement, and celebration has left an indelible mark on New Year's Eve traditions, making the ball drop a quintessential part of welcoming the new year. For enthusiasts of historical ephemera, visit history-collectors.com to find collectibles that might complement your collection. You can own a piece of history,